Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for board games and puzzles, business easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website built-in tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can create your site from here. So first let's see templates. Let's begin with this. So here you can choose the topic of the business. So the board games is it here. You can say entertainment, but it's not entertainment. Maybe it's entertainment. So the type is online store, maybe also it's courses. So that's it. Here you can choose one of these templates and go one of these, and also you can build your own templates from here. So let's get started and build our own templates. So here you have to enter your business name, type any business name for board games and puzzles business. And now let's continue. Here you're gonna build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section here we have the intro section. So the intro section must be an attractive section to attract people. So now you have to try your best to make your website homepage attractive as you like and as you want. So that's it. The first section, you must choose one of these sections here and might be attractive. Also the product section, so all the sections must be attractive. Here you're gonna add page to your site, shop, and here you're gonna choose the color palette. So you can choose one of these colors here if you wanna match with your business, any color match with your business here. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. And the font, also you can choose the attractive font you see here to make your site better. So I'm gonna choose this, and let's finish. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can choose if you want to continue and describe something about your website at the description, and you can escape from here. So I'm gonna skip. So that's it. This is your home page right now. So the first thing here, you can edit it from here. So the first the text here, you can change it. So for example, you can type here, welcome to our site for board games and puzzles, like this. And here also you can change the text on this label. Just click here and you can change it. For example, shop now like this. If you want to add something on your home page, you can click here add section, and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. From here you can add images or videos or menus or forms as you like. That's it. You can also add click here and add something on your section, image or video or audio or map or line as you like. That's it. Now let's go to the background. So first here you can customize the grid, the gap and the sections, the alignment, and that's it. Now let's move on to the background. You can if you wanna add just a simple art from here, or if you wanna add image, so click here and select from library and go to the free image, and now you can, for example, type board games. You can type whatever you like to search on board games and puzzles as you like. This is just for example. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. That's it. Now after you're done from here, you can, if you want to move this section, you can move it down or move it up. You can save it from this heart icon here, and you can also duplicate it from here. So that's it. So that's it for this part. I'm gonna continue this business on the second part of this video. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the second part of this video. See you in the second video.